Hey everybody, it's me, Lightning Iron Man. I'm here with Ben. And we're doing a Christmas party. That's right, Christmas party. And here's everybody. Everybody's here, everybody's down, so yeah. Me and Ben are here just relaxing, watching the game, so yeah. I know you guys didn't see me, like, a long time, but, so yeah. I'm gonna call this Christmas party video, so you can also come and join today. There's always next time, so today, Christmas party, or is it tomorrow? So today is a Christmas party, so I promise you guys I'll upload more often, and if you like it, subscribe. Your notification. And Ben's over here right now. Alright, sitting, so yeah. So, let me show you what these guys actually look like. This is a Christmas tree. We have a lot of presents right there, and the Christmas thing, and everybody's here. So, everything has a lot changed when I was gone. So, yeah. Oh, I haven't figured out my real Roblox account. AB is my real Roblox account. ABO with 7 or 8 L's, 19. The rest of the numbers are just random. So yeah. So yeah, just in case you're there.
Who's your dad, Mom? Who's your grandmother?
So I'm gonna mark around so that way you guys can get a good view. So that's me. So that way you guys can get a good view. So everybody's here, everybody's now.
And they grew up with my mom,
so, yeah.
Aunt Cece, and Uncle Joe. They all hung out and everything.
We've all been here.
How many children was there?
6.
This is the great view, so.
Yeah. I wish I'd had more. Now they've got no one.
So yeah.
I wish I'd had more.
I think she's next door.
Yeah.
Here's the tree. Like I said, a lot of presents. We had the star on top, but I don't know why I decided to take it down. So yeah. Christmas video. So yeah. See, my hair has changed, everything has changed, and
he just had his 4th.
I know I am wearing a different outfit since I usually did and now and done. So I am gonna move around and walk around for all of you. Oh, and that too, so well. This is going straight on YouTube, you know that, right? So, just so you guys know, shout out to all of you, and shout out to the subscriber. Shout out to the subscriber, whoever subscribed to my channel. Whoever subscribed to my channel, I give you a shout out, even a like. And ring the notification, so shout out to that subscriber who subscribed to my channel. Shout out to all of you guys who watch my videos. This is insane. And the reason why I keep switching arms because my arms keep like tired. See that? I'm not supposed to show this, but well, actually, it does. My arms doesn't get tired. So this is the game room when I'm gonna do videos on and game room. So yeah. You guys can sit here. This is gonna sit down, this is gonna there, so, yeah. So, yeah, and, we're gonna head back on, things, so leave a like and subscribe. So, yeah. So that way you guys will know. Enjoy the video. I know I should work on the intro, so I will get on that. Once I hire an editor, or I know I can edit it, but I only have a phone to work with, so yeah. I have to search up a YouTube video about that. So yeah, I'm back here again. Watching the game, you see that. All of us are here. Yeah. All here, so I know on my last previous videos, I keep forgetting to do an intro.
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
Uncle Joe was told
I'm gonna hire an editor to do that.
We're not targeted.
So, what is on my phone lightning? So, I'm gonna do that. What is on my phone lightning? What is on my phone lightning? It's gonna have to do for now. So, until I can hire an editor. I do have a brilliant idea. All these good ideas about a brand new Omnitrix. We love it. I've been having these blueprints on my head every single time I sleep. Including new ones as well. So yeah, getting all these great ideas. Not to build off a board. Yeah, comment down below. Hashtag lightning or hashtag whatever you want to put in the comments down below. So everyone put it. So yeah. So yeah, I've been playing around on Roblox doing whatever means, and I have been playing Ben and Infinity. Go play that right now. So I'll leave a like and subscription down below. If it doesn't show there, then that's kind of my bad. Including Ben and Universal's Showdown, I heard some maybe not happened to the game, and including the best Iron Man games, and so yeah, shout out to Ben, shout out to everybody around here. Shout out to everybody. So yeah, including shout out to me. I know I'm not supposed to maybe not shout out to myself, but hey, I may or may not be the first YouTuber that does that. Can I argue with there? So thank you all for doing this special video with me. And I don't know why, but all of you keep saying, hey, where's your quiz? Hey, why didn't you vlog? I've been doing a lot of stuff, setting up every single thing, but and yeah. So I'm gonna head off here and seeing what everybody's doing, and show up in my Roblox account, and yeah, and show them how what goes on. So yeah, come at the Christmas party today, right now, while you still can. Well, it's next Christmas party. So yeah, bye. When I ever go to Kentucky again, and shout out to Ben right here. He's the one that's in my video, and cutting everybody. Shout out to everybody right here. Shout out to everybody right here. Shout out to Braden. Shout out to Braden. Look at that. Shout out to Ben. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to you guys right there. Shout out to you guys right there. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna head off here and see what friends that we all gonna get. So happy and Merry Christmas to all of you. Bye bye and stay lightning.